Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V30 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can open the settings which are in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the timer is on the second option bar in this section. So we've got 4 different options of 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just let me choose 10 seconds delay, it will be immediately marked, and now we can tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works, and of course you can turn this option off just by entering the settings again and tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.